Okay, look at these values. The previous slide, I explained this. Anyway, I will explain again. 12 by 5. First, this is one fraction, right? This fraction we have to convert as decimal number because it cannot be divided by completely by 5. So, how to find the decimal number from the fraction? There is one easy method. If there is a possible to convert the denominator as 10, you can convert. If there is no possible, we cannot convert. For example, 12 by 3. So 3 they given means if you multiplied with any number with 3, 10 will not come. Can you understand? So if there is possible means you can multiply by 2 and 2, you can convert as 10 as your denominator. So once if you convert as 10 as your denominator, lastly only 1 0, right? That is 1 0 means here 24 after, from here the last end, from the last end to here you have to make 1 point. 1 digit after you have to make 1 point. For 1 0 means from the extreme your right position, that means the extreme right position to left position. For 1 0 means 1 point it will come. 2 0 means 2 digit it can move. Okay, here 1 0 they given, so extreme point, the 4 after last, now the point is here. So for 1 0 it will make to 1 digit, so 2.4. Okay, no need to this and all, we can no need this one. Okay, 2.4. Otherwise sir, any other shortcut method is there? Just wait it. If you know the division, just to put 12 divided by 5. So 2 5s are 10. Right, 2 5s are 10. Remaining what? Remaining 2 only, right? So 2 means if you make 1 point in the quotient, okay, 2 after you have to make 1 point means we can add 0. So 2 after we have to add 0 means 20 will come. Now 4 5s are 20. So directly we can cancel. See here, 1 2s are 2. So 1 2s are 2. Remainder 1. So we have to make point. So that 1, if we make 1 point means for that remainder 1 we can add 0. That means 10 will come. Now 5 2s are 10. So 1.5. That is one method. Otherwise sir, I cannot understand that method means you can follow this method. If there is a possible means you can convert the denominator as 10. For that you have to multiply with the same number in the numerator and denominator. For 1 0, 1 point you have to make 1.5. Okay. So next decimal as a fraction. How can we convert as a decimal as a fraction? Okay, so here they gave one number, right? 2.5 in a fraction. This number we have to convert as a fraction. See here, first 2.5. So first 2 you know whole number. So 2 I have written whole number 2 plus. So decimal point after first digit is called 1 by 10, right? That means 1 by 10. Here what number they given? 5. So 5 by 10. Can you understand? 5 by 10. Okay. Next, you know that how to convert mixed fraction as a improper fraction? 2 into 10s are 20. 20 plus 5, 25. Right? 2 into 10, 20. 20 plus 5, 25. So 25 divided by 10. So 25 divided by 10, that's all. Okay. So 2.5 decimal point after the first digit, which we can denote as 1 by 10. 1 by 10 into given digit. So 1 by 10, 1 into 5, 5. So 5 by 10. Then after we have to conversion as a improper fraction into, mixed fraction into improper fraction, that conversion method. 2 into 10, 20. 20 plus 5, 25. So 25 divided by 10. Understand? Okay, next one, hundreds. So how sir we can convert into 100? Same way, like before we have seen that what is called, we have seen that 10 millimeter equal to 1 centimeter we have taken, right? But here I have chosen meter. Okay, so 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. So 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter means 1 centimeter means how many meter means this 100 will go down 1 by 100 meter. So 1 centimeter equal to 1 by 100, just opposite. Okay, so 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter, that 100 will go down, that means 1 divided by 100 meter, which is equal to 1 centimeter, that we called as 100th. Okay, 100th, th will come. So 100th you can say, see here how many 0 here? 2 0. So before 1 0, now 2 0. So 2 0 means 1 2. So we have to make one point after 2 digit will come. Okay, for 1 0 this one point if we put, and another 0 we have to put 1 0 and the digit. Okay, so 1 divided by 100 means 0.01 meter. We can write 1 by 100 as 0.01 meter, because see here, for 20 decimal point after 2 digit, including the digit, including the numerator. Okay, 2 digit only. 20 means decimal point after 2 digit only will come, including the numerator digit. Okay. Okay, so hence the second number after the decimal represent 100th part. So see here, this is a 10th part, this is 100th part. This is called 1 by 100, this is 0 by 10. Okay, understand? So now we have to know, how to convert, right? Before that, how to convert the decimal point. That means decimal point after 1 digit means how to convert that into fraction, right? We studied. Okay, anyway, see here, I gave one number 13.95. So in that 13.95 decimal point after first digit, it is called 9 by 10. Okay, that's called 1 by 10. If you take that place value, that is called 9 by 10. Okay, next this is called a 1 by 100th digit, including that digit means 5 by 100 will come. So here that position alone 1 by 100th position, and this one unit position, this one 10th position. So this is a decimal point. Can you understand? 100th digit means decimal point after 2 digit will come. 10th digit means decimal point after single digit only will come. Okay. Now see here. So how can we read this one? 13.95. We should not read 13.95, because decimal, once if you put decimal point means every digit you have to read separately. So 13.95. Okay. So it read as 13.95. So decimal in the 100th form shows that we have divided into 100 equal parts. Yes, here you know. So we have to divide the 100 equal parts. Okay, so how, sir, we have to divide that one? Okay, we will do one problem, you can understand. Now just look at this one. 25 out of 100 square are shaded. If you take a graph, okay, graph sheet means imagine 10 centimeter each one. Here 10 centimeter, here 10 centimeter, here 10 centimeter. So totally 100 small square is there, right? 100 small square is there. In that 25 squares only you have to shade. 25 square only you have to shade. Remaining how much will come? 75 will there. So in that, how to represent in terms of decimal point? See here, I have chosen here 10 centimeter, here 10 centimeter, here 10 centimeter, and 10 centimeter. So in that I have chosen that 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter. That means I shaded, right? So this is 25. So 25 out of 100. 25 only shaded out of 100 squares, right? Total square is 100, shaded square is 25. 25 by 100, how can we written as a decimal point? See here. So 25 is a part out of 100. The fraction is, we can write 25 divided by 100. So as I said, for 20 means 25 extreme, the last. From that you have to move 2 digit. 1 0 1 digit, another 0 one more digit. So 0.25. Okay, understand? For 20 means 2 digit can move from extreme right to left. Okay. Next one, place value chart. So how can we denote this number, sir? How much time will be there? 100th, 1000th? That chart will be, if you know, means it will be very easy. Okay, I will put the chart. Okay. So first one here, 1000, 100, 10, 1. Here decimal point. Decimal point means you have to put 1 point. Decimal point after right side. First one is 1 by 10. Second one 1 by 100. Third one 1 by 1000. Fourth one 1 by 10,000. And 1 by here 1 lakh. Okay. So that is called, see here, 1 by 10,000, and you can take, we can say it as 1 by 100,000 also, otherwise 1 by 1 lakh. Okay. Okay, anyway, any number they given, for example 32.14678, this kind of they given means the decimal point after first one 1 by 10, second one 1 by 100, third one 1 by 1000, fourth one 1 by 10,000. So in terms of letter, how we can read tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000 and 1 lakh. Okay, this kind of we can read. Okay, See here example, with the given place value, write the number as a decimal form. Okay, so here one number they given. So how can we written in terms of place chart? Okay, see here decimal form. See here, how can we expand this one? Okay, how can we expand? So we can read this as 463.85, right? So that means 4 into 100 first, 6 into 10, 3 into 1, right? So 3 into 1 means, see here, so 3 into 1, then after point after 8, 5 will come. So 8 means 8 by 10, 5 means 5 into 1 by 100, 8 into 1 by 10, okay? See here, 8 into 1 by 10, 5 into 1 by 100. So 4 into 100, 400, 6 into 10, 60, 3 into 1, 3. So 8 into 1, 8 by 10, 5 into 1, 5, 5 by 100. For 1, 0, 1 point. So 1 point if you put means, and then you have to put 1, 0, 0.8. Okay. So 463 by that 0.8, and then 5 by 100, 0.05. So 463.8.05. So if you add all those means 463.85 will come. Okay. So this one comparing decimals, how to compare the decimals if the whole number is different. See here, here I gave one that, see here. So if the whole numbers are decimals are different, then we easily compare them, right? If it will be easy to compare. So numbers are greater whole number, it will be greater than 1. Okay. See how, sir? See here. Compare 532.48, 682.26. So look at this 100 digit, right? Here 100, here 100. So here 500 only, here 600 only. That means easily we can say, so 500 will be less than 600. So 600 is the greater one. So 682.26 will be greater than 1, right? So if they gave same number of digits, okay. So if the whole, see here, if the whole number is different, that means here the whole number is different. Whole number means this one. That means the point left side, that's the whole number. That whole number will be entirely different, means we can compare directly. So that means 600 will be greater than 1. So here in this case 682.26 will be greater than 532.48. Understand? See here 532.48, 682.26. In this which one? 600%. Here 500 only. That means we can say 682.26. Okay, 532.48. So that will be lesser, this will be greater. If they give same number digit, for example 12.41 and here 12.45, that kind of they give means we have to compare that what is your digits after the decimal point. What are the digits? From that we can compare. That we'll see in the next session, because this is a new chapter. So initially you have to bit of struggle. Then if you did every problem means it will be very easy. So anyway, I will revise all those things. Which are the things today we said. First we have to know what is meant by decimal. Okay. So decimal, it's a, we have to denote a number in terms of point. Okay, point some certain digit. Then after, how to convert fraction as decimal, decimal as a fraction. These two we have to know. That means tenth we have to study. Tenths means decimal point after first digit. Okay. So decimal point after first digit itself we know that tenth. Second digit 100. If the number, if the fraction 14 divided by 10, only 10 present means we have to make only 1 point from the right side to left. So 14 divided by 10, which can be written as 1.4. If there is 20 present, 14 divided by 100, which means 0.14, because 20, 2 digit, it can move from the extreme right to left. Okay. So this is the way we can write. And how to denote in the number line also we said. Okay, I said that one also. So simply we have to put which number to which number will be there, and we have to split it as equal number of parts, and we can mark it as. So anyway, so thank you all students. So just read it. Thank you all. Thank you.